Malco Duplex heavy-duty cleaning wipes are a versatile and easy-to-use cleaning towel that will tackle the toughest grime. To properly use Duplex heavy-duty cleaning wipes, lift up on the lid, pull a cleaning wipe from the center of the roll, and thread it through the X on the underside of the lid. Pull the wipe at a 90-degree angle to break away a sheet. Next, use the textured side of the wipe to scrub and loosen stubborn stains, grease, oil, and grime. Then, flip the wipe over and use the smooth side to wipe the surface clean. If you happen to get any grease or grime on your hands, you can also use the wipes to clean your hands. To prevent the wipes from drying out between uses, snap the hinged cap back in place before storing. For more information on Malco Duplex heavy-duty cleaning wipes, visit malcoautomotive.com or contact your local Malco distributor.